the double wedding ring. This is a traditional patchwork design, and it's actually quite a complex one. But Simplicity have brought out a double wedding ring template. And I saw this for the first time probably about 10 days ago. And I thought, hey, that looks quite interesting. Went round to see a mate of mine, one of my old students, and said, you haven't got a double wedding ring quilt I could borrow, because I'd like to show people how this template works, because I think it's a goodie. We are going to look at the construction of basically one ring. And it's these sections you need to learn how to do. So the template, how does it work? It does actually come with clear instructions, because I have to confess I used the template and I was forced to read the instructions. Inside the template you will find this slightly strange thing. If I put a piece of calico behind it, you can see the entire template. And this is a sort of a multi-cutting template. You use it for various different bits and pieces.